Hi, this is George LeMieux from the Gunster Law Firm. It's Thursday, April 30th, about 7 p.m., and this is your COVID-19 report for Florida businesses. First, let's go to the numbers. We have in Florida about just shy of 34,000 cases of confirmed positive tests. Deaths, unfortunately, at 1,268. Again, we're not adding that many people on a percentage-wise basis to the rolls of people who are testing positive. We have flattened the curve, and I really think we're coming down the other side of it. Big news out of Tallahassee yesterday is the governor came forward with his phase 1 recommendations. These will apply to 64 counties in Florida, not the 3 here in Southeast Florida, Palm Beach, Broward, and Miami-Dade. But for the other 64 counties, starting in May, there's going to be some slight reopening of business. Elective surgeries can resume at hospitals, ambulatory surgical centers, other healthcare facilities. Restaurants may offer outdoor seating with appropriate spacing. They can have 25% occupancy indoors, and retail can open at that level as well. No change yet for bars, gyms, other personal services like haircuts, but I think you'll see that coming in the coming weeks, and you'll see the Southeast Florida counties follow the rest of the state, assuming things go well. We're going to have more testing. There are going to be more people who test positive because we test more, but we are under control in terms of hospitals. They are not overrun, and we're going to be able to start opening things up again and getting back to work. On the subject of reopenings, tomorrow at the Gunster Law Firm, we are having a webinar that you can watch, and I think it's going to be very helpful to you and your businesses. We're going to have the governor's chief of staff, my friend Shane Strum, is going to be presenting about the governor's reopen order. We're also going to have lawyers from our firm to talk about what's the standard of care for businesses as they reopen and how businesses can navigate that. We're also going to talk about the Paycheck Protection Program and what businesses have to do to be vigilant as they go through that program, what loan forgiveness is going to look like, what the federal government's requiring, and sort of some new standards that the federal government's putting out. So check that out. You can go to our website, gunster.com/COVID-19, and you can register for the website. It's at 1 o'clock tomorrow. It's the Reopening Florida, what businesses need to know to safely reopen. So check that out. And let me give you some good news here as we finish off for today. AstraZeneca and the University of Oxford are partnering to develop and produce a potential coronavirus vaccine. So some really good news. This is not the only group who's doing this. There's lots of groups around the world, but researchers have already started giving volunteers their first doses of this vaccine. So that's encouraging. That's some good news. Wanted to give that to you as you close out your Thursday. Stay safe out there. We're going to get through this, Florida, and we'll talk to you again soon.